Hello, today we're continuing the discussion of a thesis, and today let's discuss the literary analysis thesis. Once again, a thesis is the main idea or the central argument of an essay. So, here is an example of a literary analysis thesis. In To Kill a Mockingbird, Harper Lee uses the character of Atticus Finch to explore the themes of morality, justice, and racial inequality in the American South. This thesis statement identifies the themes the essay will analyze. So that's morality, justice, and racial inequality, and links them to a specific character, Atticus Finch. So that's a thesis statement. Here's another thesis statement. In The Great Gatsby, F. Scott Fitzgerald uses symbolism, character development, and the theme of ambition to critique the American dream. This statement breaks down the elements: symbolism, character development, theme. The essay will analyze to support its claim about the novel. The goal here is that your thesis should summarize the key points of your essay.